All right, everybody. So we are back home. Look at him running. Look at him running. Look at him running. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Candice, and we are doing another vlog today. Probably just gonna be a spend the day with me type of vlog because I really don't have nothing else going on the rest of the week. Yeah, so right now me and Ryan are about to get ready to go see that Whitney Houston movie that just came out. What's it called? Dance with Somebody? So yeah, that's what we're gonna go see today. It has been so freaking cold this weekend. That's why, like, yesterday me and Ryan didn't do anything. We literally just stayed in the house, binge watched the Best Man TV show, and ate neck bones and rice all day. Like, that's pretty much all we did. And take naps. That's what it was. Everything was closed anyway because it was Christmas or whatever. But even if it wasn't, we probably still wouldn't have went nowhere.
Close your eyes to get away. Bang my line and I'll arrange it. Beautiful girl, you're stainless. You'll be fine, I'll be painless, yeah. All I'm drinking is champagne. All you want is the same thing.
Yeah. Get 10,000 building, get your ass an apartment, put you inside a G-class, that's just the start. It get plenty things count in life, but none of them is a thought of it. New piece around my neck, his chest game.
Alright, you guys, so this is my outfit for the day, super casual. It's just Ryan's black hoodie, some black leggings, and then this jacket that I got from Pretty Little Thing. And yeah, and then I'm gonna wear some chunky Steve Madden sneakers that's black too. I really like this jacket, y'all. I really do. I don't know why, but I do. I really like it. Okay, but yeah, anyway, see y'all. All right, y'all, so we are back. We just finished watching the Whitney Houston movie. It was good. I thought it was good.
Yeah, it was really good. And it's long, really long, but they did a real good job with it. Like, she did a good job. Whoever the actress was that played.
Oh yeah,
she don't look nothing like Whitney Houston.
I feel like she's close enough. I feel like she did a real good job. That's enough. Is this right?
She don't look like it, but she did a real good job acting, and it just gave a lot of insight on the backstory of, you know, who Whitney Houston is. 'Cause I had no idea a lot of stuff that they put in. I didn't know who Robin was.
Yeah, he know nothing about Robin. Cause
Nippy, I was like, who that?
Yeah, he didn't know Whitney Houston's nickname was. I had to tell him. I was like, that's her nickname since childhood. I had to tell him who Robin. He didn't know who Robin was. I'm like, yeah, that was her little best friend / side chick. Like, he ain't know none of that.
But they played some good songs, man. Some throwback songs, especially if you like R&B old school.
Yeah,
they did that.
Good.
She did really good with her acting, and I just like how they put it together. It was a good little tribute.
So now we're about to we just pulled up. We're about to go look at a model home.
I think that was it.
Yeah, that was it.
So why didn't you say that?
I literally said that. I think that's it right here. Do you see all the flags, everything next to it? But that's the model home. But all these other homes look boogie.
Boogie?
Yeah.
Never heard that term.
But you get what I'm saying, though? You understand?
Boogie? They look boogie.
Yeah.
So
anyway.
You don't like none of these?
No. And I don't like what they make it out of. Like, they make their houses. Y'all houses look like they made out of concrete. Like the outside. I don't know.
I don't like the fact that all these houses look the same.
Yeah, they do.
Just different colors.
Let me see if we can show y'all. But I don't know, like I don't know, I ain't gonna say in Florida, but where we're at now, like when we do go look at houses, it's like they all got that. That's not stucco. Is that stucco? But they all got this, like, I don't know. They looking real concretey on the inside. And then when I would be looking at houses online, and look at that, they don't have any it's like y'all against hardwood floors. They don't like hardwood floors. That's what it seemed like. Like, it seemed like all the houses they built, like they be having like the tile, and it be looking like a business or something. Like, it looked like tiles that'd be like at a business.
Maybe that's an upgrade.
What, hardwood floors?
Possibly.
I don't like
cheaper for them to put tiles.
It gotta be. But I'm like, you can even get some cheaper. You ain't gotta get a real hardwood floor. You can just get the little fake ones. Yeah, I want to see you. Are these soft clothes? Nope. I'm coming. Small dining room. This is the master bedroom.
I like this. I like this.
Look, oh, I like this hall. Are these separate closets?
Yeah, I like that. Everything's separate.
Oh, this is nice. Nice shower. I like.
I almost had a big show.
Yeah, but it is nice. I like the
See.
I don't know. I'm not gonna call that wood paneling. I don't know what that is. But yeah, it's nice. And it goes into the
It's a nice little patio area. You can get that screen though.
Cause shorty stay with calculated moves like Beth Harmon. Swear I'm more Purple Rain Prince than Prince Charming. Disappointment, I stay expecting it.
So we're trying out this new sushi place. Hopefully it's good. Well, it's new to us. I'm trying to make Ryan a sushi connoisseur. He doesn't too much care about sushi, but I do. Y'all know I love me some sushi. So I'm trying to find a spot that's as good as the place I was going to in Macon. So we just came back from looking at another apartment.
That was on the list that we never looked at.
Yeah, we never looked at it before. Because, yeah, I never looked at it before because when I read the reviews, they were talking about how like the parking was so horrible.
And it's new.
And it was a new apartment.
Barely than a year old.
And everybody was talking like so bad about the parking, and it's downtown too. I know at first you didn't care about living downtown. Yeah. So we wasn't sure about did we want to live downtown, but we finally went to go. Like we just had time to kill, so we went to go look at it today. It's nice. It's really nice. If we would have looked at it before,
It's not nice. I don't think it's nicer than ours per se, but it's just like it has a lot. It offers a lot more. And the floor plan is like it's way smaller than our apartment.
it's smaller than our apartment, but it's more modern. Like the finishings, like it has the black matte finishings and stuff. Like all of that modern. It's more modern than ours, but it's smaller. And then they also have like a townhouse option.
Yeah.
So it's like three levels, and it has the attached garage. And y'all know I used to have my attached garage, so I do miss that. Spring rolls. What is it? The dumpling thing, steamed fried dumplings, and then the crab rangoons right there. But I don't eat spring rolls, so I'm hoping Ryan will eat it. But if not, we'll just give it to his sister.
Thanks for this opportunity. Welcome to Senior Spirit Appreciation
We're good. Wasabi. Alright, y'all, so I got the yummy mama, something like that. So this is mine. It's good. And this is Ryan's. Hopefully Ryan will like it. You don't like it?
Oh, man.
But it's cooked, though.
I want mine hot.
No, mine's is warm. You want to taste one of mine?
How yours warm? Girl, yours warm. Mine cooked. Oh yeah, I'm gonna put that good. Mine's good.
You just want it. You don't like it?
Little fishes.
Ryan don't like seafood. All right, everybody. So we are back home. Look at him running. Look at him running. Look at him running.
What are you all in there for? What's you here for?
Good. You was gonna jump out. You was trying to scare me. You was trying to scare me. Anyway. Anyway, we're about to do a pizza competition. We got these itty bitty pizza crusts from Walmart.
Helping you?
Get that for me.
I'm not helping
Right.
you.
If you don't get that for me,
I'm not helping you. Competition right now.
okay, get it.
Yeah. Shit, right there. Better use the ladder.
Ryan.
So you forfeit, yes or no?
No, you got stuff on your teeth.
You forfeit, yes or no?
Ryan, get the thing.
Y'all hear this, she lost.
No, I ain't forfeit nothing. I just need you. You could have handed it to me. You are.
You're the enemy right now.
I tell you.
What you, man? Stop touching my stuff, man.
Get some of that.
No,
You used some of
no.
Yup.
You know.
See, you cheating. How can you use my stuff, but I can't use yours?
You ain't even.
Ryan done stole my mushrooms and he done took my pesto, but I can't use nothing that he got. But he using all my stuff.
We got my stuff.
This is my olive oil. This is my olive oil.
No, it's not. That's not yours.
Whose is it then?
You're a cheater.
You're not phasing me.
I ain't say nothing.
You ain't phasing me. I just want you to know that. Tell the people what you got going on.
I got meatloaves going on. I got the pepperoni, the mushrooms, and the sauteed sausages. You know, I got my cheese on there. And it's double crusted. You know, I put a layer of mushrooms, sausages, pepperonis, added cheese, and then added another layer of meat. You know, like my meat.
Alright, so this is my pizza.
Chef Boyardee.
Your joint look like a jailhouse pizza. Anyway, this is my pizza. It has what's the crust? A garlic butter crust with pesto butter on the inside. Cheese. I got pepper jack and Kobe jack. He just got that regular nasty cheese. And I got some pepperoni and some mushrooms.
You're not cooking too long. I'll put some under that.
Alright, so the pizzas are done. Ryan's pizza that was dripping because he soaked his. So it almost started a fire.
Oh my goodness, should be good.
And my pizza. Okay, so while that's doing whatever it's got to do, I'm gonna make me a drink. Turn that down, Ryan. So even though this is a drink, like a drink, I'm putting it in a wine glass. So see, even though my initials ain't CB anymore, this is the wine glass. So first things first, the peach crown. I'm trying to be lightheaded, y'all. I made me a drink last night, and I'm not even a drinker, but I made me a drink last night. And Ryan said I made poison. He said it was too strong, but it tastes like juice to me. Okay, so I put this much crown in there. Now I'm gonna do this Stella Rosa peach right here. This little can. I'm gonna put some of this in here. Now we got the peach crown and the peach Stella Rosa. So next, last thing I got is the white cran peach. So put some of that in now. I hope this good. Not bad, not bad. I feel like it needs a little, I don't know what though. After I took a sip and I walked around a little bit, like I feel the heat, like my chest feel hot. But it tastes like juice though, so that's good.
Man, you crazy.
It's not
Is it
bad.
Is it good? Yes or no, man?
Wait, I
Take yours,
no,
man.
don't rush me.
Yours.
Don't rush me.
You finna just try to.
It's cheesy
okay.
and sausagey.
All right.
It's very cheesy. Mine's perfect.
Okay. Typical.
I just took a look.
Man, man. Stop playing with me, man. Come on. Don't.
I said it was good.
Don't. You know what?
Good.
Competition is over.
No, it ain't.
Don't need you to taste that.
Why is it the fact with the least meat on it?
So you're gonna be honest? You gonna tell the people who did better?
Me.
Tell the truth, yeah.
No, his is better. That's good. Mine is better. This is why
This is why I love you.
No, this is why I don't like, because he's a sore winner.
No, I ain't no sore winner.
Yes, you are.
Kiss, baby. You did
I don't
good.
want no kiss. I don't want no kiss.
You did good for your first time. Don't ever try me though. Don't ever call me out on a competition. You know I do this in the kitchen. Hey.
So I decided we're going to watch Civil Brand. I haven't seen that in a while. Y'all can't talk. We're going to watch Civil Brand. I haven't seen it in a while. It's that prison movie with Lisa Ray and Tashina Arnold. I love me some Lisa Ray, y'all.
Cause you ain't finna be getting that shit done no time soon. Nails, hair, toes, none of that shit. You gonna be scraping them motherfuckers up against the wall.
You could have all the space, more than you